We were fully active in the whole session.
The class more interesting இருந்துச்சு.
This is the first class. I didn't sleep.
We can learn so many things like how to make leader and how they can build the team and something like that. So it's a very nice overall. I really thankful for your team and you. We learn like that how to build the trust and how to make the leader. If the leader is good, then definitely we can. Our all entire team is becoming good. So this is a very nice lesson to us.
Today is a nice section which has been taken by Sachin sir. Yeah, Sachin coach. I am also the part of the train the trainer program, doing some other training in our organization. Since when we go with those kind of training, everyone will be trained. But here I come to learn how to approach the people, how to make them in an attractive way. They should not feel something bore or let me down. Since from the morning to now we are look to be fresh and the section is going too good. And thanks for the coach. From you, the way how you treated the people and the way of how you attracted, that will be helpful for our upcoming careers to take this in a part of a good way. Thank you, sir.
It's a great opportunity being with you, everyone, and coach has not just demonstrated some random things. He has made us to be a part of this activities. So out of this, able to deliver a team building, the team building strategies. This is going to be a very big support for me in my career.
Unlike other sessions, it was not a one-way communication. We all interacted and the activities actually made us, we were fully active in the whole session. We were never dull and we never lost our attention to the session. So it was good being a part of this team.
So far I participate all the learning sections or something related to theory or something the class. Lot of people may got sleep sometime I am also. So in my life I attend so many training. Only one which I full day without sleeping or maybe diverting listening means this is the training class I in my life so far. So the learnings is not only develop for me or as whatever here. We need to develop our next level people.
We learn to adapt ourselves to the current situation and the problem that we are facing right now. அதாவது என்னென்ன ப்ராப்ளம் புதுசாக வந்தாலும் அதுக்கான அடாப்டிவ்னஸும் அதுக்கான ப்ரீ பிளானும் நம்ம எடுத்து பண்ணோம்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக நம்மளோட கரியருக்கும் அடுத்தடுத்த ஸ்டெப் நம்மளால் we can improvise and we can go further to in achieving our goals.
Last weeks also I will attend the same, don't have another one training. But only explain the PPTs. After lunch time all are going to sleeping mode. Today also I think, but this will be differently with practical knowledge is easily affected the coach and people. Very thank you so much. And our learning is how to create the good environment in our downtime people.
இந்த கிளாஸ் மோர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டாக இருந்துச்சு. இந்த டாபிக் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு லெவல் பர்சனுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். அப்போ தான் நம்ம டீம் கோஆர்டினேஷன் கம்ப்ளீட் டார்கெட் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும்.
I learned a lot of classes, but this is the first class. I didn't sleep this class. Already I sleep sometimes, but this class I won't sleep, never sleep, full time.
இந்த செஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக போச்சு. சாஃப்ட் ஸ்கில் வந்தோடனே ஏதோ எப்படி போதோ ஒரு போரியாக இருக்குமா என்னன்றது தெரியாமல் தான் வந்தேன். பட் வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக போச்சு.
This time I attend the 6th program in MMA. 4 classes attend in the 1.5 hour classes. That 1.5 hour including I go to the many times the sleeping. That is the previous class also one coach come to the fully run the slides only. But you have the fun and learning system, many learning bites.
ஸோ இங்கே வந்து பீப்புள் கூட கொலாபரேட் பண்ண கற்றுக்கிட்டது நல்லாயிருக்கு. ஸோ இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் நான் இவ்வளோ பீப்புள் கூட கோஆர்டினேட் பண்ணி கொலாபரேட் பண்ணி ஒர்க் பண்ணி கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணி. So I enjoyed a lot.
Think differently. That was a learning I take away from this session. So I attended 1 day class, 3 day class, 5 day class. So all were only theoretical PPT like that. So I understand from you to take class different, think differently like that. Practical more sessions. If I involve the participants will learn more. Yeah. So I take away that learning from you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games. activities and exercises. Teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life.